Welcome guys! Today I'm gonna show you an amazing plugin called GSat. It's amazing saturation plugin and it's free. If you want to sound like this or like this, check this out. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to In The Box channel. In this video we are going to talk about why this saturation plugin is one of the best ones out there, and yes, it is free. Before the video starts, if you are interested in other free plugins, you can take a look at the blog where the best free plugins are uploaded every day. Okay, so we have in the top the meter section and in the bottom the saturation section. Click here if you want to set the current meter display mode, in, out, or in, out, in to the left and out to the right meter. The meter calibration controls the references level of the left, right, in, out meter in dBFS. Here we have the controls of the main monitor mode, either stereo, normal, or left, right, mid, and side. Here we can set the monitor mode either to in place or centered. This knob is a input trim, adjust the input gain of the plugin, and to other side we have the output knob, adjust the output gain of the plugin. You can link the output to input trim. If input trim is increased, the output trim decreased, and vice versa. Here we have the little mix knob. You can adjust the input-output signal ratio, including input, output trim, clip, and saturation. Before talking about saturation, we have a clip session called clip protection. If the sound too wild and hits the ceiling, the red light flashes, whether clip guards on or not. You can set the clip position either pre or post trim tool from the plugin menu. The lower the threshold, the distortion will cause the further harmonics to appear. To the next, we have a oversample section, and the incoming signal can be oversampled up 2 or 4 times. Oversampling reduces the magnitude phase distortion near the Nyquist frequency, and here we have the global bypass section. Now it's time to talk about the saturation section. Before talking, let's how it sounds. Down, it doesn't feel the same. Now I'm sitting around waiting for the world to end all day, 'cause I couldn't leave you if I tried. The saturation effect emulates a several tube style with odd and even harmonics. Here you can set the stereo placement to stereo, left, right, mid, side. Here you can set the tube charger, and you can select the clean, warm, crisp, or classic saturation types. With this knob you can set the number of the tube stages. More stages, more tubes. Simply, right? With the odd knob you can control the amount of the odd harmonic added to the signal in percent. Most saturation plugin has a fixed saturation, and when you increase the effects of these plugins, it's simple to increase the amplitude and the number of the harmonics. That's your only control. That is great if you want to emulate an analog gear. The GSatPlus, this plugin, let you to control both the extension of the harmonics, and if you want it to be even or odd or both. It's the first plugin even seen that can do this, and are unbelievably useful when you want to have a full control of the harmonics. Let me demonstrate this. Let's engage the odd harmonics first. I really like this plugin because the effect is added linearly, and that it's actually starting from 0. You can find a bunch of plugins out there starting at like 30% at the minimum setting, which is not a really great plugin engineering. As you can see, one odd harmonic is introduced. The magic happens with the stage settings. For now it's set to 1, which is why we only see one added harmonic. Now if you increase this number, additional harmonics are added. It's pretty cool, right? For those who don't know, the saturation is an amazing tool to increase loudness. It's different from compression and the other ways when you use harmonics to increase loudness. The compression is only concerned with audio levels and the timing of audio levels. The purpose of the saturation, on the other hand, is to add harmonics to its sound, and by doing so that sound is going to perceive louder. Now let's how it sounds. I try it in kick, snare and 808. Before you go, don't forget to check out my blog. New content is added all the time. You'll find something that will improve your sound. Link in the description. Comment what you think about this plugin. Share your thoughts if you use it already. Subscribe to the channel for the future content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.